Good afternoon, St. John families. I want to share some information with you that this year we will not have our traditional open house on Monday, August 31st. The reason is we want to put mitigation practices in place to keep this building as safe as possible. So with no open house, what we're asking is that very first day of school that students bring in something to write with. Pencils, pens, markers, crayons, those types of things. Those items should go in a bag or a pencil box with your student's name clearly written on there. This way, we're making sure that we're not sharing materials. On the 31st, we will still have Picture Day. Life Touch will be here. They will be in the Monsignor Gym Room, the Fellowship Hall, and we will send out a sign up genius to have families sign up for that 31st day. The idea being that we don't want overcrowding and we want to keep social distancing practices in place. If you are unable to make pictures on the 31st, that's okay. We'll have a picture retake day later on this fall, and we would send out more information as that date got closer. So, as we look forward, and we all are looking forward to the beginning of the school year, we will have more information coming your way. I'll send something out on Friday. The teachers will be in contact next week, as I will be also, and the communication will be coming as the first school day gets closer and closer. So fantastic. We're so happy to be back to school. Have a great rest of your day. Honor God today. Go Dutchman!